Throughout my travels, hiking up into peak for the sunrise was exhilarating. It's one lifetime experience, as this early bird hike is not regular in this area. When glittering stars dominated the sky, we start hiking up into peak to see the sunrise. Our enthusiastic tour guide picked us up at 3:30 a.m. and we started walking up the steps leading to the peak. Apart from the strong wind, I enjoyed the forest and the dim images of the pagoda's roof over the dark blue sky. Good morning, we are now on the Yên Tử mountain peak. To see the best sunrise on the peak, we used the cable car on the second half of the route. You don't have to wake up that early, but do it later in the day. The sunrise chasers can give a try as you would grab this intriguing scene. The majority of Vietnamese are Buddhist. Yên Tử Mountain is a sacred location where a 12th century king of the Trần dynasty became a monk and came to this mountain to practice Buddhism.
It's still very early here, just 5:30. It's fresh, it's cool, and the sunrise is fascinating.
If you are wondering whether to include Yên Tử Peak in the travel itinerary or not, I would say yes.